Vauxhall Corsa Model D 2010 PDCI. I'm going to change the disc brakes. I better check everything I need first. So I'm not jacking the car up or anything, of course. Let's try 19. Nope. 17. Yeah, 17. Okay. Oh, Jesus, it's a stupid cat. Right, forgive me for being thick. It's a stupid. Right, I always say I'll go through the pain so you don't have to. If you're fixing the same car, right? So, I pulled them stupid plastic caps off. No wonder it felt funny. It was all rubbery and just looked like metal. So these, it's not 19, they're all 17. Bloody hell. Fucking Steve doing on the software. Set the car up, which was secure. I put it on underneath the sub frame. Size 13, 1.3. I was going to get a socket on there, but look at that stupid pipes in the way. These should not be on tight. Oh, hang on a minute. Should be going the other way. That'll be tightening it. Untightening it or loosening it. There you go, that's nice. Those are on tight, I'll go, oh my god, or whatever. Had to go at that. That is not a 13. I hate that when that happens. One's a 13 and the other one's not a 13. And the flange, I'm sure I get my words right, it's 19. Put it on there. Don't want to trust it. Oh, I was worried there for a minute. Remember the bottom one is the 12, top one is the 13. Well, I have to make a simple job into a difficult one, drilling and things. Which is why you should always take your brakes apart as often as you can. Okay, so there's a little plate there. It's okay, but you don't want to go. It's kind of dangle. You shouldn't do that. You cable tie it. This cable tie it. Don't put too much stress on it. So I just bungeed the thing, keep it out of the way. It's off the weight is off the pipe and it gets that thing out of the way as well. I might have to do a banging in a minute. Right, bottom one spins. I'm spinning the top and bottom. Bottom one goes in and out, no problem. Good. Right, get this bracket off. And I'll tell you what it is. I've got a feeling it's a 19, but let's try 18 now. 20, 19 mil it is. Right, shorter bar. I've got the long one, remember this is the, I don't know how, 60 centimeters, something like that. So, it would help a lot if I jacked it higher, wouldn't it? Yeah. Sure would. Subframe, to crank it. Careful. A little bit of pressure on this side. I'm gonna go. Let's go with the big bar, I think. Believe it or not, that's twice I went to tighten instead of loosening, which is. Unforgivable. So I should bring it in this way, right? I might have inadvertently tightened it. This is the hardest part of doing jobs. You get the right angle. That's it done. That's that done. So get the rest. Right, so bracket should come off, no problem. Right. All loose. There's some metal guides. Keep those, don't lose these. Don't lose these little things here. These need to be greased down as well at the end. Or anti-seized up, or people call it. They fit nicely. All on the way to nothing. Suppose you can still drive it. All those things in place, so that's all loose now. Torques. You see what I'm going to do. So this comes off. All right, so. Those two screws fell off so easy. T30. They were just loose and this comes off. And you see. And let's get the new one. So make sure the two screws line up. Done like that. Easy as that. Taking the rubbish around. Probably a good idea to seize the little screws as well. I'm going funny. And Piston is a reversible removal. thanks for watching. So this is the Corsa TDCI, or CDTI, which is the same thing, diesel, 2010 Model D Corsa, and it's changing disc brakes and disc pads. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, share. Very easy, give it a go. Well, before I go, a couple of important things. I've kind of tightened the bracket back on, but I need to tighten them some more. So what I'm doing, anti-seizing these parts that touch in there. I'm just trying to work out, are they all the same? Oh, there is an indicator one, wear indicator. There's 4 pads but 1 indicator. This is the original one I took off. See where the ring is? It gives you a clue, and that's where the piston has been pressing on it. So this should sit at the back like so, and the ring thing on the top. The ring thing is the thing that indicates to you that there's wear. It's worn down to its last legs. And to press the piston back, I'll try and figure it out in a minute. Might have to twist it, might have to push it only. By the way, these brakes, get the top in first. We've got the little kind of little quirks on them. And then push in like that. Same with the back. So I've left the ring thing that's wear indicator on this side. And off these 2 pads, and there's the equipment. I haven't got one on that side. Oh, right. May be wrong, but we'll soon find out. Just having a chat with a fella that's fixing things next door. More like a practical person. He was saying how clever I was or whatever. I say, no, you're clever as well. As long as you, different types of intelligence. Some people are good at practical stuff. Some people are good at theory. No good at practical. All sorts, right? Takes all sorts of people make the world go round. So, I'm wondering if it's one of these twisty ones. And I'm wondering if there's any particular reason why that's shaped where it is. I can't see it. There wasn't a blanking plate on it. It's already on there now. I'll make sure that stays on. I mean the plate where the pistons rest on. That's really there. So I'm just going to get a G-clamp. Using a G-clamp, try and clamp these back. Just gently do it. So don't move it. Don't move it. It might be a twisty type. So I'm not going to commit myself too much. Press in there gently, and always do this as slow as possible. Because there's like a diaphragm that you do not want to reverse. If you do it too quickly, there's a diaphragm, one-way diaphragm that can reverse. It's just going back slowly. Yeah, simple. Ooh, as I was doing that, as I was saying that, I just saw it flaming press inwards just there. So don't press on them. Do not press on this model car. Do not press on the middle. Press on the outside. So I'm clamping it here, not here then. Okay, I spotted that. That's where the rim is, and it's going back nicely. I'm going to let you see this, and this is the last thing. Right, that's where I'm clamping it. I'm just being lazy, not moving the camera. Don't press the middle, because look, it concaved itself in, but that doesn't matter. I mean, in this case, it's not really a part that takes load, so it doesn't really matter, as long as it stays there. Alright, I need to charge the battery up and call it a day on this one. Missing this one. Well, the opposite, where this end is over here. That should sit up there. Like so. So, missing this, but in the reverse. You know what I mean? Like that. And like that. I'll take a picture as well.